And I'm getting a nickel right there. See at 27. Normally if it jumps to 30, it's a pull tab, but if it sticks in that 27, 28, it's actually right next to the plug. Yeah, sticking at 27. It's on the ground.
He thought it was just another nickel. But later that night, under the right light, it told a different story. Pre-Wabo too. Not the Silver War nickel, but close. Real close. One clean signal at 27, right next to a fresh plug. And just like that, this site went from meh to must hit again. Subscribe now, because sometimes the real treasure doesn't shine until after dark.